Scrubbing up your English. Understanding, scrub clean. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're going to dive into a common English phrase, scrub clean. Let's find out what it means, how to use it, and look at some examples. If you're ready to polish up your English skills, you're in the right place. When we say, scrub clean, we're talking about thoroughly cleaning something by rubbing it hard, often with a brush and soap. It's not just a light wipe or a quick rinse. It's putting in some elbow grease to remove dirt or grime. You'll often hear scrub clean in contexts involving household chores, personal hygiene, or any situation where something needs to be cleaned intensively. For example, you might scrub clean a pot with burned food at the bottom, or a dentist might tell you to scrub your teeth clean. Let's put our phrase into action with some examples. After the muddy hike, I had to scrub my boots clean. The kitchen counters were so dirty that I spent an hour scrubbing them clean. The phrase can be modified to fit different contexts. For instance, scrub the deck clean, often used on boats. Scrub the stain clean, when dealing with laundry. And that's a wrap on scrub clean. Next time you're tackling a tough cleaning task or just want to impress with your English prowess, you've got this phrase in your toolkit. Happy learning, and may your language skills be as sparkling as a surface you've just scrubbed clean.